Hey, what's up guys, and thanks for watching. Today we're going to have a look at the Supcase and the i-Blason case series lineup for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. Right after this. Let's dive right in. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and also share this out as it truly helps out my channel. The first one that we're going to look at for the Z Fold Flip is the Unicorn Beetle Grip. Of course, you have some documentation on how to apply or to install this. Put that to the side there. 9H tempered glass screen protector. And as you can see here, this is mag safe. Adhesive strip. I don't think we're going to need it, so I'm going to leave it, but I'm going to remove the film. Just get some scissors and snip that arrow if you want to leave that strip there. Now this is a dummy unit. This is not the actual phone, but at least you can see how it looks. Pop that in, nice and snug. Let's grab this bottom portion here. And there it is. Again, you have the mag safe here and tempered glass screen protection. You can see your camera lens will be protected because of the lip of the top portion of the screen. Button access there. Top cutouts there. And of course you have the kickstand. So if you want to open this up, you can display it that way, which is pretty cool. You have the reinforced grips on the side. Bottom cutouts right there. All in all, I'm definitely feeling this. And again, you'll get that full body protection. Let's go ahead and check out the next case. Next, we have the Unicorn Beetle Pro. Let's go ahead and check this out. Warranty card there, so that's nice to have. Documentation. As you can see, this comes with a holster in which this does rotate. Off of here. Drop that in. It's ready to go. Very nice. That carbon fiber design here. Reinforced grips on this side, cutouts on that side there as well at the bottom and top. It's pretty dope. Kickstand here on the back. You stand it up that way, of course, and of course you can lay it this way if you wanted to. And access a holder. So if you want to hold your phone this way, you can. And of course you have the addition of the holster, so that's pretty dope. And slap it in just like so. And of course, as I mentioned earlier, this rotates 360. It's pretty cool. Let's take a look at the next case by i-Blason. Next, we have the i-Blason Cosmo SP Clear. Let's go ahead and get this open. Extended warranty details. It has the adhesive strip as well, as you can see that arrow. Pop the top portion in first. And it's ready to go. See the camera cutouts there. Actually feels pretty good while holding this phone in this case. Cutouts there. Cutouts there. Kickstand here. Although I'm definitely feeling this case as well. You can show off your phone's colors and still get that full protection. Dope. Let's go ahead and take a look at the last case. Last, we have the i-Blason Box SP Tilt. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. Documentation, of course. Let's put this down for now. Adhesive strip again. Let's go ahead and remove this plastic. Very nice. Kickstand here at the bottom. Dope. It acts as a holder, so you can hold your phone. Look at that hinge protection there. Reinforced grips on each side, cutouts at the bottom, button cutouts on the side, camera lens protection because of the lip again. Definitely feeling this. So there you have it, Supcase and the i-Blason case series lineup for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. Now, if you're interested in any one of these cases, use the link in the description section of this video. But this completes my review of the Supcase and i-Blason case series lineup for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7.